friends, and welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show you how to change a digitizer on iPad 8. Without further ado, let's start. First, I'm gonna show you what tools we need. Most of them you can get easily from eBay. We're gonna need a heat gun. We use more professional heat gun with the colder removable nozzles and various temperature, which goes up to 400 degrees, but you can as well use the normal heat gun. Microscope, set of screwdrivers, opener, craft plates, elastic glue and tape. All these tools are used to separate the broken digitizer from the bezel. So as we've got everything in place, let's start. First, we need to gently heat the bezels of the digitizer so that the sticky Apple tape lets go. We do it gently by heating up a small part and then use the opener to lift it up. After we successfully remove the majority of the glass, we carefully disconnect the LCD. To do this, we need to undo 4 screws located at each corner of the LCD. Sometimes the screws are hidden under the cups, so we need to remove it as well. When the LCD is unscrewed, we lift it gently, and by opening the screw on the connector, we separate the LCD from the iPad. Secondly, we remove the connector of the digitizer, which is located under the LCD. Finally, we use the blade to remove the glue, and the glass remains. The bezel needs to be completely clean so the new digitizer can fit properly and don't leave any gaps. We check carefully under the microscope for any debris before preparing for the next part. connect the new digitizer and old LCD to the motherboard. Fingers crossed. We check if everything works, so we turn on the iPad, put the passcode and check if all the parts of the digitizer are working. Once done that, we put elastic glue on the corners of the bezel and gently put firmly the digitizer down to glue it. It will take about an hour for glue to become solid. We put clips to keep everything in place. That's all done. Thank you for watching and don't forget to look at our other videos.